How to share a location on Telegram. So if you want to share your location on Telegram, whether live location or your approximate location, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to share your location on Telegram, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. So this could be iPhone and it could be Android. Then select the chat where you want to share your location on Telegram. Then click on this clip icon at the bottom left. Once you click on that, go ahead and swipe through the navigation just like this. Select location on the navigation. Then here you should see send current location, share my live location for. Then you also want to scroll down to see if you can choose some of the approximate location you have here, and this is powered by Foursquare. Now to share your current location, just click on send my current location. Then you should see the current location here. Now, if the receiver just click on the location just like this, it's going to open on the maps, and they can just go ahead, click on get direction, and then open with Google Maps or the Apple Maps app on your phone, and then this is going to open on Google Maps, and then that is it. So this is going to show you the direction to this location on your phone. So that is basically how to share location on Telegram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.